On the cover, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of haters, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the cover, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the cover, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good evening, Otter Gang, 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 gang. What's up? It's Asia, baby. Let's go. We getting long or what? Maybe we long Solana. ICP, look at it bounce. SFP on Solana, quite nice. What's going on, everybody? Just to chill guy, that's the one. This is Arvo Alex, let's go. Yeah, man. Nice push here for Solana. Are we going to do it while everyone's sleeping? Is Asia going to do it? I didn't mean to close that. How we all doing tonight? We all long or what? Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. I do expect you guys to say good afternoon or good evening. GE in the chat. Some GE, General Electric. Might take an Asia long tonight. Who knows? Might get a little frisky. Oof. Clipping, bull div, trying to push. SFP though, guys. This is big SFP. I like Solana at night. Big SFP here. Chop today. SFP tonight. Bearish divergence, SFP. Something I would short. Not necessarily long. Konnichiwa. What's going on, everybody? It's China time. Good evening, guys. GEs. What's going on, Geo? Good to see you, bro. 3 drives, SFP. Short in Solana or what? It's begging for me to short it. It's begging for me to short. This is a perfect topping structure. What's Biddy doing? Dumping. What does Bitcoin look like? What's going on with this chart, man? Object tree is broken. Really? Just gonna sweep this high? That's what it did here? Really? That's Gio, tell me that wasn't a total Justin Trudeau move. That was so Justin Trudeau right now? Gio, was that Justin Trudeau or what? Is it just me? This is toppy as hell. Nice push though. Breakout, retest, continuation trade. Anybody short this? Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. Retest to previous highs now. This is where I would look for the bounce. Potential long. If we're going to get long, it's here. That would be the long. How we all doing, everybody? All having a good night? 124 people here. Only 20 likes. I'll forgive you this time. I'm trying to take some degen Asian trades with you guys. Back up to the high. Retest to previous lows. Back up to the high. Continuation. Still waiting. 15-minute. Nice push. Continuation. Two. Shorts, eh? Do you like short shorts? What's going on, everybody? Good to see you guys. Infinite Team TA, man. 20 memberships for all the gang. God bless you. This is risky here. You got to be like here. You got to be like right under this order block. That's got to be your stop if you're to get long here. Weird pump, guys. Did we get news? Did we get any news? What's Biddy doing here? Still no push. What's going on? Albert Stein. Good to see you. Chris Keen Bean. Jake Thornton. This is perfect SFP. Liquidity sweep. Perfect SFP, man. You wait all day for this. You don't take the short, Alex. Bitcoin's got to push here. Otherwise, it's coming down. That's a weird spike of volume there. Look at that. What was that, man? Anybody long that on the way up? That's not an easy long either. No trade yet. Considering Solana here. Big sweep. No trade. You guys all short. What's going on? Pump and dump, man. Liquidity grab. Pump and dump. Pump and dump. Right back to where we started. Key level support here, considering a long. Take a stab, maybe. Maybe. Bitcoin trying to push here. Nope, not yet. This would be the bounce area if it's going to go. I'm long. Go, go, go. Push, push, push. What? Really? Really? Push, push. Sorry, we long on Solana. Just looking for a little pushback here. Ew. That's nasty. Come on, Solana. Push, you namby-pamby. Come on. It ain't giving it to me, guys. Push. There we go. Stop loss to entry, guys. GG's in the chat. That was a quickie. Quick $270, everybody. Gang, gang. Let's go, baby. Looking sharp tonight. I'm just chilling, man. That's nasty, though. That sweep was nasty. No follow through. Weak sauce, man. How's everybody doing tonight? We all good? You always see no trade, then you miss when I actually trade. Key level of support here, guys. That's why. Feels like an ASMR session. Yeah, just chilling. Probably get stopped out here. I don't know. We'll see. How's Biddy look? At least we got some volume tonight. Biddy's stalling out. Key level of support here coming down. Volume support. Just looking for a little pushback, but nasty SFP, guys. Like perfect. Absolutely perfect. Probably get stopped out here. Maybe not. Who knows? Maybe Asia's going to be gentle to us tonight. Gentle. Gentle and kind. We'll see. Push. You guys along with me or what? Come on. Get going, man. Weak sauce. Trigger wave here, trying to push. Bitcoin looks like it could go. Push. How are we all doing tonight? Good evening, everybody. What's your risk per trade? I typically risk about $500 to $1,000 per trade, Chris. Trading a $100,000 trading account. Hi, wife. Yeah. Okay. My wife asked me if I'm Asianing. She asked if, am I Asianing? I didn't tell my wife I was going live. I just said I just went in here. She just put her son down. Thank you, Alexandra. She's like, are you Asianing? She whispers in. So good, man. I love my wife. She's the best. Good to see it, Infinite. Thank you for the 20, man. Got a bunch of lurkers in here, I bet. Look at that, 20. Thanks, wife. I'm up $300. She goes. Andrew, what's going on? Vikas, Pot, Lurker, Loza Lurker, 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 Lurker. Deborah, good to see you. How you doing? Lurker, 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 Lurker. Geo's a lurker too. We caught Geo, guys. The trees are lurking. Put some lurkers in the chat for all the lurkers in here. Thank you so much, Infinite Team TA. Hopefully you're doing well. Why did I take the last trade? Because we came down to a volume support level. It's a Solana bounce level. Solana's in an uptrend. It swept liquidity, and then it came back for late longs. And looking for follow through to the upside. That's why. Hopefully that makes sense. Now we chillin'. Thank you, man. God bless you. When do you take your first take profit? Depends on like what I'm looking for. Any deals on the Discord membership? Yeah, we'll do just setting up the website right now, and then we'll have some deals coming for the new website and the new setup we're gonna have. Obviously Boxing Day sale as well. Yeah, so we'll have some sales coming up at I should have the website done and checked over in the next week. So hopefully get that rolling out for everyone. And then we can do some promo codes and all of that stuff. I have beef and broccoli for Asian night. Nice. Human Giga short off the top. Let's go. Trench Juice. My man. What's going on, bro? You gotta send me that address. My boy definitely hit the J before the stream. Never, man. I don't smoke anymore. I used to smoke. I haven't smoked in like I'd be blem as fuck. I haven't smoked in probably 7 years. I used to smoke a lot though. V Monitor, what's going on? Yeah, we're gonna do Black Friday deal. Still false move Monday? We'll see. A little wick test here. I'll take that off. Nothing wrong with a quick 500 for the night. Good evening, Apulia. How's it going? You really gonna be a dick for a tick here? Come on. Whatever, take it. You namby pamby. Come on. Thank you. Only 11,000 left in this trade. Let's take a look here, guys. Nice push. Good little trade here. S&P of the high. Bitcoin. Yeah, pushing up back into an order block here. So probably a little bit of turbulence here. Okay, up here as well. Nice S&P up the high. See if we can follow through here. Hopefully everybody's having a good night. Everybody got long? Yeah? We all good? Discord, crushing it? How's that ICP trade we were looking at? ICP, we'll call it ICP. That's falling down. It was up 5%. Now it's falling down. That's weird. That's all right. Aerodrome looks strong, man. Nice. Volume comes in, volume comes out, volume comes in, volume comes out. If you are new, you're welcome. I mainly stream in the morning, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. live trading Bitcoin. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you for being here, subscribing, all that good stuff. I figured we'd do an Asia session, a quick little Asian session to show the whole Asian demographic that, you know, there's this crazy white boy who scalps Bitcoin in the morning, who can also crazy scalp Bitcoin in the evening, okay? Or retest continuation up. We the Otta gang, okay? We have amazing Discord, 8 traders. It's so simple. You join the Discord, you'll be like, wow. It's so simple. I don't believe. Okay? You just press buy on Signal and wow, money go up. This guy have a spoon. He talks about a spoon. He doesn't use chopsticks. He uses a spoon. AlexOCrypto. I don't believe. Alright? He talks shit and presses buttons. That's what AlexOCrypto does. And you'd be like, wow, I don't believe. Okay, I'll stop talking shit. But it's true. That's basically what I do. That's my job. I press buttons. I teach you how to press buttons. And I make you an amazing button pusher so that you can sit on your ass, do nothing, play on your wanking chariot, and make lots of money. I'm up like $7,200 today. Okay? So you can press buttons with me and be like, wow, I don't believe. Okay? Here you go. Are you hungry? No, I don't believe. Good. Good. Ask the gang. It's a big fucking spoon, man. People are hungry, man. Now Bitunix completely failing to connect to server. Refresh it. Update your browser. Get a better computer. In that order. Wait, das. Please just do the accent. No, man. You guys have heard tie my shoe, right? You guys are all of that generation. Tie my shoe. Put a 1 in the chat if you know tie my shoe. What's up, everybody? My name is Tie My Shoe. Microphone testing in the place to be. I was cruising down the street of Mayampala. You know that song? Come on, guys. I'll see you in the morning, Simple Jack. Have a good evening, bro. Put a 1 in the chat if you know. Tie my shoe. You guys don't know tie my shoe? Are you kidding me? This is like 90s Asian. You asked me. You guys don't know it? My God, this was 15 years ago, man. I will get demonetized for this, guys. This is culture. Microphone testing.
1, 2, 3. In the place to be. What's up, everybody? My name is Tie My Shoe, and I am going to rapping for you today. Just a little freestyle. But first and foremost, I like to thanking Wody style be uncompared for getting my belt back and helping me promoting my skills. And in return, I will teach them how to make $1 million. Wow, and when you hit, you'll be like, wow, I don't believe. So simple.
So simple.
No skill involved at all.
No skill involved at all.
And you say, what the hell? I don't believe. Check it out though. I was cruising down the street in my Impala. They asked me who the killer they call. That's his
What the hell?
I sucked at giving a job. I got some pies and put the nails off a toe. Cause I'm losing, giving the heebie-jeebies, breaking all the houses,
Stealing all the TVs.
Yeah, it's looking easy. I run around
In the corner, laughing. Hee hee
put
hee.
your mama in a head up. Oh,
My God. And I will teach you how to make $1 million. And you'll be like, wow, I don't believe. So simple. All right. If you haven't seen it all and you oh man. Before being a lady boy was cool. And you'd be like, wow, I don't believe. Go and watch the whole thing. It's go and watch the whole thing. I grew up, like, I used to know every single lyric to that, man. And, like, I grew up in an Asian neighborhood, like a small Chinatown in Toronto. I showed you guys the school picture. Like, half of my school was Asian. Chinese, Japanese, Vietnamese, you name it. Lei Homa. Come on, we had to have fun. This is what we did. We made fun of each other in the 90s. Okay? And you'd be like, wow, I don't believe. I'm Whitenese, okay? I'm so banned on YouTube. Like, I'm surprised I got remonetized. Whatever. Another one. $500, guys. Quick 500. And you'd be like, wow, this guy, I don't believe. So simple. All right. Showing you the trades, taking the trades, making crypto honest again. Trading Asia, hanging out with you guys. Thank you for being here, supporting the channel. Breaking down here, retesting the block up in here, rotation back down, bullish divergence in here, would need to reclaim and push. No trade right now, still waiting. Thank you everybody for being here. Losing orb. Okay, just waiting here. Fake pump, big SFP coming into resistance. Sweeping this high. Interesting. I would like to bring this down a little bit like that. Just to include that high now. Yeah, this looks like it's bearish. This is definitely bearish market structure here when you have a sweep like this overnight. So accumulation, you distribute, and then you SFP in here. This bearish divergence typically comes back to where it started. Hopefully we hold at 104. But this looks nasty, guys. This looks like it's coming down hard. SFP perfect on Solana. We had this level in our Discord, guys. Look at this. Perfect sweep of the high here on Solana. Perfect sweep of the high, man. Overextended. Got 3 drives up here. 3 drives. SFP. You break this low, you're coming down to here. That would be nasty. So be prepared for that. Come tomorrow morning. Gotta share my thesis on why you giga shorted. I can see why you giga shorted, bro. Makes complete sense to me, man. Makes complete sense to me. Does that mean they don't come back a little bit and then go? Most likely. But we didn't come for the liquidity today. That's why I thought we would get some sort of rollover. I scalped all day within here, but The way this has broken down too, if we look at it, it's very aggressive, right? This is a very aggressive push down. Push up, push down, push up, push down, right? It's dump pretty quick here. Doji engulfing. Just a rotation down. It's nothing I want to trade. No clipping here. No, this doesn't look the greatest in my opinion. Can't believe we got 200 people on Asia, man. You guys are cool. Everything pretty hammered here. 1%, 1%, yeah. Can't believe XRP is running again. Good. XRP. We've slowed right down. Volume's disappearing. Decreasing volume. No trade here. Still waiting. Yeah, if you short trench, I mean that's the place to be, really. Got follow through here on Biddy, losing the low. Solana looking to lose this key critical support here. That's why I took the long, but it's been chopping this all day. Down we go here. Pretty aggressive push. No trade. Clipping down here. It's when the oscillator gets overextended to the up or down side right here. So you can see how the oscillator here turns bright white versus gray. That's called clipping on the True 7. SFP push here. SFP push. SFP push, trying to push back into the candle here. No trade yet. No volume stepping up here. Bitcoin continuation down. Key level of support for Bitcoin. Solana's looking to come into here. Everybody should be short if you are in a trade. Looking for an SFP here possibly. SFP reclaim. Looking for strength on Bitcoin here. Little pushback on Solana. Strength. Considering a long. No trade yet. Considering. Scalp back up. Not yet. Still waiting. Gotta see strength on Bitcoin. Bull div. Trying to push. 3 minute. Trying to push as well. I'd prefer a sweep. Good volume here. Reclaim of the support level. Still says lower. Little battle here. Bitcoin, no battle, no pushback. Okay, trying. It's trying here. Bull divs, liquidity, trying to push. Considering a long in here, just want to wait for a second. Don't want to jump it. Still trying to be patient here. You are the best, Ryan. Not me. You are. It's way past my bedtime, man. Magic. Magic, what's going on, bro? God bless you. How you doing, my brother? Guys, if you're not following Magic, he has the best Discord ever. He's the greatest human alive. And he is my dear friend. How you been, man? God bless you. My son's sleeping like an angel. Sleeping like an angel. How have you been, man? Good to see you. Guys, if you're not following Magic, if you guys like bat patterns, shark patterns, pivot points, Magic Internet Money, good friend of the channel. Good human. No bullshit. Great trader. Great trader. I've learned a lot from you. Thank you for Magic allowed me in his Discord for free when I wasn't making any money. So thank you, bro. Always appreciate you. Always appreciate you, man. Thanks for paving the way, bro. Much love. Yeah, you should be in a short. Yeah, this was where you wanted to short. And considering a long, because I'm scalping. Absolutely. That's the thing, yeah. I am long. I'm long like Donkey Kong. I ain't your dad. My son's asleep. I'm his dad. Push Bitcoin. Quick 350, everybody. Another one. Guys, I'm up, what? $500, $800 tonight. Can I have a GG's in the chat, or am I douche canoe for not saying go long? I told you I was considering a long 5 times. I'm not here to financially advise you. I want you to become a better button clicker. That's all. You see here on Bitcoin your confluence. Okay, so we come into a key level, holding the support level here, battling, chopping, chop and pop. Remember, I teach you chop and pop. What happened on Bitcoin? Bottom of the orb pivot point. Come for the lows, get everybody extremely bearish. Okay, the short was in play. Retest of order block. Critical support level momentum line up in here. Matched out. Higher lows. Okay, if it's going to defend one area, it's going to be here. We got the confluence of the defense on Bitcoin. We go over to Solana. We take it because it trades more volatile. We take it on Solana. We make more money. Happy days. Very cheap trade. Can you turn your mic up? Yeah, I can turn my mic up. How loud do you want me to turn? Check. There you go. Okay, is that better? I've turned it up for your ASMR. Because I'm whispering. Because I don't want to wake up my son. He's in the room over. And he's sleeping like an angel. Don't mess with your son's sleep. That's one thing I've learned. Bull div in here, trying to push back up to the highs. Happy days. That's me tonight, guys. Happy days. $1,000 night, basically. Happy days. Close it down. Take your money. Say you love everybody. See you in the morning, guys. Thank you so much for being here. And if you can get your kids and wife to sleep, you win in the end. So true. I owe you a phone call, or at least a message. Magic. God bless you, bro. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. Quick $1,000 tonight. Easy Asia stream. Pretty sweet that we got some volatility. Happy days, man. Hopefully you're all having a wonderful evening. I'll see you guys in the morning for market open. Have a wonderful evening. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, that of low casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better